Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Jira integration with Confluence for documentation. Complete guide step by step clearly. To activate Jira integration with Confluence for documentation, begin by logging into your Confluence account. Navigate to the Confluence space where you want to integrate Jira. Click on the space settings in the sidebar. Select the Integrations tab from the options available. Find the Jira section within the Integration settings. Click on the Connect to Jira button. A prompt will appear asking for your Jira site URL. Enter your Jira site URL and click Next. You will be directed to a Jira login page. Enter your Jira credentials and log in. After logging in, grant Confluence permission to access your Jira data. Return to your Confluence space settings to confirm the connection. Once connected, navigate to a page within the Confluence space. Click on the Insert option in the Editor toolbar. Select Jira Issue from the drop-down menu. In the pop-up window, you can search for the Jira issues you want to include. Choose the desired issue by clicking on it. Customize how the issue information is displayed on the page if needed. Click Insert to add the Jira issue to your Confluence page. To verify the integration, view the page and check if the Jira issue appears as expected. Finally, make sure to save your changes to the Confluence page. Now your integration between Jira and Confluence is successfully activated for documentation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.